heading on a 7-day Caribbean cruise and unsure what to pack? This video is for you. We'll start with the hat. Essential. You hear me? Essential, guys. It is so hot. The sun is intense. It's the Caribbean. So a hat or two goes a long way. And if you want a ponytail person or want to be in the water, this is great. So, you know, ponytail hat. Mine's a little wet because I had it on today in the water. So Marvin makes fun of me about wearing my hat in the sun, but it protects your skin. All right, so in terms of evening items, so 7-day cruise, so you know you're good with about 6 or so evening attire. So I'm wearing one right now, but then I have this dress also. You want to look a little bit, you know, cleaned up after a long day. And then I have this dress. So this is actually multifunction. So you can actually do this in the daytime or even at nighttime. I wore it at night one evening. And I brought this as well. And I also brought this. So yeah, perfect for the evening attire. And then for the daytime, really, it's the Caribbean, so keep it light, keep it cool, keep it easy. So I brought some like cover-ups. So about 6 or 7, I think is perfect. So I brought this one. And actually I have 2 like this. So this is one color. And then the second one is this one, more reddish tones. But perfect. I love these. I get so many compliments from others, but they're beautiful. And this, again, very light, very easygoing. You know, dress, coverall. It's light. It's perfect. And here is another one. So really, the wind just kind of flows right through them. And then another one. So several of these I actually got from Amazon. So for those ones I can give you links. Some of the other ones probably was last season, like at Macy's or something like that.
Where's that one from, huh?
So this one was, I think, Bloomingdale's. This is Bloomingdale's. So some of them I don't have links, obviously, because it may not be the current season. But then the ones that I do have links, I will include it in the description below. So moving on, so again, there's so many activities on this ship for you to partake in. So it's good to have some variety. So they, like for the pickleball, I wear like something like a shorts or even my workout tights. I can wear for pickleball, and then you have the speedway, so you can wear that. And I bought little tank tops like here, so I can, you know, couple that with a tank top for like the speedway or even for the pickleball. And then just an easy t-shirt, easy t-shirt. And then also for exercise, so I like to exercise, but I didn't overdo it. So I actually brought only 2 different outfits because I knew I probably wasn't gonna do it every day on this ship because it was very port heavy. So like every other day I was able to work out. And then I would also rinse it out in the bathroom and then leave them to dry. And they really did dry quickly.
Overnight?
Yeah, overnight. And you know, outside as well because it's so hot. So I brought 2 of these, 2 different ones. So that's that. And then for swimwears, I actually brought 2 tops and I think 3 bottoms. And I brought the ones that I can like mix and match between them. So, you know, different looks. But again, I left it to dry overnight in the bathroom and they dry. So you're perfect for the next day or for the next, I guess, the second day. So, you know, you alternate, if you know what I mean. Also essential is my trusty fan. So again, it is so hot. I think 3 different levels. Perfect. Oh my goodness, this comes in so handy. Now moving on, so water bottles. So I packed a couple water bottles. I packed one for Marvin as well, and I was like, pack your water bottle. He never does, so I normally pack for him. So this is mine, but he has his own. And I also packed one of these because this is actually multifunction. On the pool deck, they serve you in plastic. Obviously, you guys know it's probably, you know, it's safer for you to do that. But then you can also put your drinks in this one, you know, keep it cool as well. And also when you're going out on an excursion, I like to put my water in this one. So I'll put water, you know, to take with me. Marvin may put something else that's a little stronger, let's just say that way.
Don't know.
So yeah, so these are like, you can use it on a ship or really to take with you on excursions. And then the other thing I liked was this here. The ship gets a little cold at night, especially in the restaurants or in Viva Theater. So this is perfect to put over your shoulders and in the evening time. Like my mom was very cold, so she's like, oh, it's so cold. So she had also had her scarf and a throw as well. So this is perfect for carrying. And you don't want to forget your sunscreen. It's a must. We're not advertising for this brand, but any sunscreen will do. Backpack. So I actually love this backpack. So it actually folds up as well, but yeah, it's light, it's easy to pack, and I brought everything. So I put my towel in there, I put my sunglasses, you know, I put my water bottle, just everything you need once you're out at an excursion. So this is perfect. Every single day I had my backpack with me on every single port. So I love this backpack, and we do have the link for this one at Amazon.
What about that bag over there that you take sometimes?
Oh yeah, and this one, I brought this one because literally it weighs nothing. It's super lightweight, and I use it mostly on the ship, like in the daytime. I just, you know, throw a couple of things in here like my fan or, you know, lip gloss, you know, those type of little essential things. I'll carry this around with me while on the ship. But alternatively, I see a lot of people having like a little cross the body bag or even a fanny pack or, you know, something to put your essentials in. And I also like, I didn't have this, but I saw some persons that have like a case around their neck. And I think those are also on Amazon where you can put your ID, your room card, or perhaps, what else to put in that one?
Your nephew and niece had one, right?
Yes, my niece.
Your brother and nephews.
Yeah, my brother brought, and then my niece, Zara, also has one around her neck. She has her card and so forth. So those are really good too. And your phone, you can put your phone in it. That was the other thing I was trying to remember. So yeah, it's just to keep your hands free so you can do, you know, whatever you want to do. On to footwear. So I have these on, those on. But Marvin, show them here. So really, I have tennis shoes, water shoes, and flats, and one pair of heels. So try to keep my weight light, and as a matter of fact, I did well. I only had 40 pounds coming down, and yeah, I kept one heels, you know, and all the intent is for it to go with all my evening wear, and it's worked out really, really well.
Anything you didn't wear, hon?
Well, I had one dress, one evening dress, because I think one day we did not go to dinner. We just kind of ate late, so we skipped that, and maybe 2 t-shirts and maybe a tank top. So I wore everything. So I kept it pretty concise this trip. So I was pretty proud of my packing. But the other thing is the cruise line, you can wash. So they provide you a bag, and I think for $29, everything that fits into that bag, you can launder it as well. So that's an option. But that's it for all I packed. 1 week Caribbean cruise. Like, share, and comment below. Let us know what you think about the packing. Any other tips you'd like to share, leave it in the comments. Until next time.